Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install macOS Tahoe 26.4.1 on Mac. So with that being said, let's get started. If your Mac supports the latest version of macOS Tahoe, you should get a notification in your system settings. Simply open System Settings and here you should get Software Update Available notification. Simply click on it and here you will get the update notification. However, if you haven't received the notification, then you can manually check for software update. For that, in the system settings, click on General, then click on Software Update and check for the software update. Here you can see here we have macOS Tahoe 26.4.1 update. To install it, you can simply click on Update button. Then click on Restart Now to apply it. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.